YouTubers, welcome to another episode of Yasmin's cooking show. Today we're making puree of broccoli soup with sherry and turmeric. This is my healthy take on this classic soup, minus the cheese and the added cream. I'm proud to announce that my recipe was featured in Coastal Virginia magazine. I'm so proud, so honored. Let's get started. Nutrition education is very important to me, and here's what you need to know. Broccoli is considered a functional food because it has health benefits beyond its nutritional value. Folks, this green vegetable is health promoting. Broccoli has a chemical called sulforaphane, which lowers the risk of prostate cancer. It's also loaded with vitamin C, which fights off infections and protects our immune system. Vitamin C is also important in forming collagen, which is a protein that supports our bones, our teeth, our blood vessels, as well as healing wounds. Here's our mise en place, our ingredients for the soup. We have here 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of onion, half a cup of celery, half a cup of carrots, diced coarse. Next, we have here 3 garlic cloves crushed, 2 medium red potatoes with the skin on, washed well. Over here, we have 2 heads of broccoli, trimmed and rinsed, 6 cups of Vietnamese faux stock. Now, folks, regular stock is fantastic, but the Vietnamese stock used in this recipe for this soup sets it apart. Faux stock is made with aromatic spices and flavors. You can buy it at your local Vietnamese restaurant. Over here, we have half a cup of sherry, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. This is optional, and some salt and pepper to taste. In a large, heavy bottom sauce pot, let's sweat the onion, carrots, and celery in the oil without browning until tender. Next, add the garlic, potatoes, broccoli, and sweat or steam for 5 minutes. Cover with a lid, stirring a couple of times. Next, let's add the stock, the sherry, turmeric, chicken bouillon, and crushed pepper. Bring to a boil and reduce to a simmer. We're going to cook the vegetables until they're tender for about 15 to 20 minutes.